Prime Minister Narendra Modi meeting with our Indian women's cricket champions. Here, India continues to rejoice, celebrating our Women's World Cup champions. After scripting history on the field, Team India was hosted today by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his residence in Delhi. The Prime Minister was seen congratulating them, having a nice chat with all the women cricketers after their remarkable comeback. In fact, he spoke to them extensively about all that he could on early defeats, on the growth and progress of the game, on the girls in their form, online trolling, and also how they lifted the trophy in style. In fact, Captain Harmanpreet Kaur recalled how in 2017 the team had met Prime Minister Modi, but at that point it was without the trophy, and this time they've come with one. Jokingly added that they want to meet him more often now, hopefully with more trophies. Vice Captain Smriti Mandhana said that the Prime Minister has always inspired them, adding that women are excelling in every field today because of his encouragement and whatnot. So, mutual admiration there. The girls there spoke extensively about the Prime Minister and his grit and his vision, etc., while the Prime Minister encouraged them and lauded them for their victory. Deepti Sharma, she shared that she was waiting to meet the Prime Minister, saying that she remembers his 2017 words when she had met him last, when he had said, keep working hard, follow your dream. That was a motivational pep talk that he had given back then. So she recalled it with him today when having that chat with him. The Prime Minister spoke also about Deepti's Jai Shri Ram post, her Hanuman tattoo, and she also responded saying, all of that gives me strength. The captain, Harmanpreet, asked the Prime Minister how he stays fit all the time. So a nice chatter that the Prime Minister and the Indian women's cricket team had. In fact, the Prime Minister eventually recalled past instances where Harleen's iconic 2021 catch. He also remembered Amanjot Kaur's juggling grab in the final, saying that, jokingly he said, while catching, see the ball, after the catch, see the trophy. The Prime Minister urged the Indian women's players to carry the Fit India message forward, especially motivating young girls going henceforth. He says that that's the real victory now. Going forward, more young girls should look at you and be motivated to join the sport. Certainly a proud day for Indian sport, proud day for women in India, proud day for women across the world as our women, after 50 years, have brought the cup home.